exceptional.
Okay. Also, now that you're doing Jersey straight after Kabir Singh, would you say that doing a remake of a very successful South movie with the same director, same kind of creative team on board is a safer bet at the box office?
See, it definitely helps when you do a remake. It's very helpful to know what you're doing. I have been a part of a few movies which I thought were going to be a certain way, and then when I saw them, I was like, मैं यही साइन किया था ये स्क्रिप्ट बोला वापस खोल के यही था क्या पिक्चर सो आई हैड सम वेरी स्कैरी एक्सपीरियंसेस सो आई मस्ट कन्फेस दैट बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ अ रीमेक इज डेफिनेटली helpful as an actor because you understand what the story is and you understand how the filmmaker wants to express himself while putting that story together and bringing his vision to it. But actually, when I did Kabir Singh and now when I have done this film, I've realized you'll never believe me. You'll think like, bas bol raha hai. It's very difficult to do a remake and sometimes even tougher than playing an original character because you have to make it fresh. It cannot look like a copy paste. It cannot look like you're just picking up something and recreating it. You have to rediscover it all over again. I remember when me and Sandeep also worked together on Kabir Singh, we had so many conversations because, sometimes I had to say, can Arjun Reddy leave the room so Kabir Singh can enter this room? Because it's just so difficult. How do you understand? It's so difficult for a filmmaker who's created a character which is so close to their heart to give it to another actor, that insecurity of what if this actor doesn't understand what I need, or what if this actor makes it something it's not because he wants to do it his way. So it's very difficult to find that balance. And it's very challenging. And I really feel this version of Jersey is it's very different from the original. I mean, when you see the film, you'll understand it's the same story, but when the character changes, when the milieu changes, we've taken this film to Chandigarh. So he's a Punjabi guy. We've brought a lot of small changes. She's playing a character who's from down south. She's playing a Telugu girl in the film. So that relationship is very different. The way this character behaves, the way his angst comes through, the way he hides his pain is very different from the original, And I think that's something I realized after I did a couple of remakes that, once the actor changes and once the cultural milieu changes, the language changes, if it's the same, you're probably doing something wrong because it's not going to land for that audience and for that culture. You have to bring authenticity to that story for the backdrop that you're placing it against and for the person that you're creating. So I think this Arjun, and it's strange that I did a remake of Arjun Reddy, but I was Kabir Singh and now I'm doing a film where I'm playing the character of Arjun. It's funny like that.
Full circle.
but yeah, I think this Arjun is very different from the other Arjun. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I think I'm very thankful that Gautam was very, he was very happy with me trying to bring something fresh to it. And I'm always afraid, right? Because I always would ask him, I hope it's not going somewhere wrong. And he allowed me to express myself a certain way. And actually, it was really difficult for him. So it was easy for me, right? It's the first time I'm doing it. And maybe this question is more relevant to Gautam as how it is to make the same film in a different language with a different actor and then do it all over again.
Yeah, right.
One
sec.
one.
Gautam, if you can answer the question that...
When I met Shahid Kapoor for the first time about doing...
So you've not called me Shahid Kapoor for so long, that felt very strange.
I'm not addressing
Please don't call me Shahid Kapoor, so I feel very strange.
Okay. Yeah, when I met Shahid sir for the first time, when we were discussing about doing this film, doing the same film again, our idea is not to remake, as he said. We want to rediscover the main character and tell the story to a wider number of audience in a different way. My approach to directing is not to, my approach to direction is not to tell the actors how to act, what to do and stuff like that. I talk to them more. And I want the actor to find the character in the space of the film. So that's what helped this film to turn out to be much more original in its own way. I did a similar approach when I was working with Nani sir. So I had to talk to him as much as possible about the character, the backstory, how it is. And I want the actor to find his character in that space of the film. So I mean, I worked on both the films. For me, they seem like two different films, two different versions, and I'm fortunate I can do that.
Arvind sir, straight ahead, Russell here again. Arvind sir, hi. So there was a time, and a lot of collaborations used to happen. We saw movies like Giraftar, where Amitabh Bachchan, Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan used to come together. Even Chiranjeevi has done movies with Juhi Chawla. Considering you are such a big producer, and now boundaries have erased, any plans of doing a big project where, say, you have a big star like Shahid, and along with Allu Arjun together in a movie? What about plans like that?
Not exactly the same, but I have big plans. But this occasion has to be limited to this because I want Jersey to, if I announce that, that will become a news. So let me hold it for some more time.
Hi, Shahid. Hi, Shahid.
Faizan sir from News Helpline.
One sec. Can we have a question from this side, please? Can somebody take this mic, bro?
Shahid. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Shahid, first of all, I want to know, okay, South has been a lucky charm for you because Kabir Singh, definitely, you did a movie. Being in a Bollywood, find the South copy remake made you a boost a lot in Kabir Singh. And
तूने
that
क्या
was-
एक सेकंड में तारीफ करके खत्म कर दिया ना साउथ ब्लॉकबस्टर कॉपी रीमेक
No,
एक लाइन में
I
मैं
mean-
ऊपर गया और मैं ऐसे नीचे
No,
एकदम
no,
जमीन के
पहले
ऊपर
पहले भी आपकी अलग चार्मिंग थी, अलग अंदाज था, पर कबीर सिंह में आपका पूरा अंदाज बदल दिया.
जी.
सबका माइंडसेट बदल दिया कि नहीं, शाहिद कैन डू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रोल एंड ही इज अ प्रॉमिसिंग एक्टर राइट नाउ. सो आपको लगता है कि साउथ एंड व्हाई वुड साउथ रीमेक, मतलब अगेन
यार ये तू बार बार साउथ बोल रहा है ना ये बड़ा ऑफेंसिव है साउथ में ना बड़े सारे स्टेट्स होते हैं तो बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट विच आई दिस इज माय सेकंड तेलुगु
one, yeah.
रीमेक राइट
Telugu
दिस इज अ तेलुगु रीमेक या
So do you
And your next two films are not that.
yeah sir they are north
Yeah.
next two film
so
north
you want to tell
north
about that?
Sorry?
Those movies, next two movies?
I'll come again you don't want to meet me again
Okay, I would like to meet you. Again, one more question, Muna. You have been like Tufan आपने किया. You have been a very sports lover. You are a basketball player, definitely, and you are now again cricket. Yeah. So how much the sports has been your part of life? And recently you met David Beckham. We would like to know that about that. So whole your journey, how sports has been a part of your life, and how you're much involved into it. And how this helps you in terms of movie also in your whole career part.
Not many of them know, but I used to play cricket with my brother, and I used to go watch match, the World Cups, and we used to fly when T20 started. So I remember going to Kolkata because we were supporting the team, and then it was a very overwhelming experience to even sit in the stadium and watching your team play. And I never, everything has a circle, right? Everything goes around, comes around. I never knew that, when I first watched Jersey, I knew it that I'm going to play Vidya. But how? It's very difficult. I was really...
News Helpline.
भाई
सवाल आपसे है.
इनको पहले मैं बोल चुका हूँ I'll come to you after this she has a question
Okay.
You have been, how much cricket have you played during your younger days, and how much did you have to brush for the film, on your cricket?
I got brushed, ma'am. I was brushed on the floor. I used to be lying broken everywhere. To answer your question, I have played a lot of cricket when I was in school. I used to play for my school team, which was pretty useless. We never made it anywhere, but I was still on the team.
No, you made a movie.
Yeah, exactly. So it came handy finally, right? But at that time, like any team could beat us. But I still made the team.